Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. What is going on, man? It's your boy JT with JT Automotive Ride Share. I'm a guru. Listen, man, I had to make a run to the scrap yard today, the junkyard, and while I was there, I came across an old beat up looking green car. Y'all see that? Look at this engine. It looked like a 4-cylinder, right? But for the life of me, I cannot tell what kind of car this is. The emblem, there's no emblem on the back per se. All right. Now, if you can look in the inside, y'all see that? Look in the inside. It looks like it's a manual transmission. I can tell that much about it, and I can tell the engine. The engine side, as it appears, look like a 4-cylinder, right? Okay, but that's all I can tell. Look at that, man. That would have made a real good project car. Bring that car up, man. That car could have sat in my garage, and I spent months, years restoring that baby. That looked like a real good restoration job. Y'all see that? Steel. That's not an aluminum cylinder head or aluminum block. That's a real engine, y'all. I could have, man, that is beautiful, man. Why is it at the scrap yard? Why? I'm sure somebody traded it in for scrap money, man. I just can't take it no more. I'm gonna leave, man. But if anybody know what kind of car it is, please comment below, man. It just bothers me, that's all. I just had a scrap run, just drop off some scrap, and I saw that and had to take a video of it. Thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe. And man, I'll see y'all on the next video. I can't believe people would do that. Thanks for watching.